On the Maintenance tab, we have at the far right end SupportNet Maintenance. If we select that, you want to be able to have your email address and your password that's been assigned to you from Positive. That'll give you the ability to submit issues that you're having with your software or any kind of problems. But even if you're not signed up, you still have access to other things such as the knowledge base. Now currently they're working and remodeling the knowledge base, but here's a lot of groupings. But don't forget, with the different YouTube videos, most of those on the YouTube are current, where a lot of these are not current. But it might be interesting reading if you have some of the issues that you may not find on the YouTube. The other thing that they have set up here for you is news, certain end of year fiscal closings, back up your data, things like that. They also have downloads, and the downloads has an issue right now, but you can get your help files for your current version from Positive. You have a Contact Us file, and again, they're working on the website, but you can get a hold of them at this address, this phone number, and speak with the support team.